Welcome back, and if you've missed me, my name is JP and we are learning Breakdance, basically for beginners, and this is Module 1, a one-pager using the free version of Breakdance for WordPress. I've shown you everything so far in Chrome, but to just shake things up a little bit, everything from here on I'll be doing in Firefox just to be different. In the past, I used to use local versions of WordPress, which is a way you can install WordPress locally on your computer's server, but I found many of them usually slow, and often the updates to them were also a little bit slow. What I do lately is I use a website called TasteWP, and check the link in the description below. You can sign up for free. Everything I'm going to show you now is for free. I haven't paid for it. And I can install WordPress there. I can install plugins just like a real website and play around. So TasteWP.com. And you go ahead with the sign up procedure. If you haven't done yet so, I'll go ahead with login. And here are my details already. And I'll log in. I have a number of websites here already. All I need to do is click on Create New Website. This is going to install WordPress for me, the latest PHP version. If you don't know what that is, do not worry. But one thing I will recommend just for this exercise is to uncheck these plugins that they want to install by default. Because it's free, they're going to add some stuff to the WordPress layout that we're going to change very soon. But I'm not complaining about that because, yes, it is free. We can create here a custom site name. So let's call this Breakdance M1. And let's see, create temporary site. And that's it. It has been created in a jiffy. There's a username, there's a password. I don't even care about that. Why? Because I just access it directly from this dashboard. Click on it. It opens WordPress. Everything is installed. Often, many of the subdomains that I create on my hosting service takes 30 minutes plus for WordPress to register on that site. I don't understand. If these guys can do it so quickly, other providers should be able to do the same. Let's talk about the two things that TasteWP does that's going to surprise you. One, you're going to get this massive notification here. It just tells you, one, that this site is temporary and it will expire after 7 days. There is an option to make this site permanent if you want to keep it for the future, but because you're playing around and just exercising, 7 days. If you didn't finish this tutorial within 7 days, you probably never will. You can decide if you want to buy up. If you want to do that, we're just going to click here on OK, got it. And once you do that, it goes away. Whew. The other thing is the theme layout. It uses a different color scheme, which I prefer the original so that we're all on the same board. And for that, we go to Users and then select Profile. And then from here, select the default administration color scheme. And then scroll to the bottom and select on Update Profile. And now, if I go to my WordPress and I select it, everything is the way that we are used to for a fresh vanilla WordPress installation.